Welcome back, Year 7, and a Happy New Year. Now, just before I get started on today's lesson, I just want you to make sure that you have submitted your Scratch game that we completed in the previous year, and make sure you submitted the review document. Okay, now in this lesson we are going to, well, I'm not going to tell you straight away. I'm going to show you a quick video to give you an idea of what this lesson is going to be about.
So you're on your way to the moon. It's been a long trip, and just as you're finally about to land your spaceship, the computer starts to spit out error message after error message. This is an extremely non-ideal situation and sounds really terrifying, and it's exactly what happened to astronauts on Apollo 11, the first mission that landed humans on the moon. In the end, the astronauts landed safely, and Margaret Hamilton, a computer scientist who worked for NASA in the 1960s and 70s, was why. Margaret rose through the ranks to eventually become the head of the Apollo flight software development team and a pioneer for women in STEM fields. Hamilton has spent her life focused on errors, how to prevent them, and how to keep everything running when they come up. And her approach is what saved Apollo 11 from having to abort the mission. Hamilton was born on August 17, 1936, in a small town in southern Indiana. In 1958, she earned a bachelor's degree in math from Earlham College with a minor in philosophy. She taught in a high school for a couple of years and then worked in a few different MIT programming labs. Eventually, Hamilton planned to pursue a PhD in abstract math, but then she got an offer. A lab at MIT was looking for programmers to work on the computer that would take humans to the moon. So she took that job.
Okay, welcome back, Year 7. I hope you enjoyed the short video. As you can see, it was an introduction to a lady called Margaret Hamilton, and she was a computer scientist who, as you grasped from the video, was responsible for helping the NASA Apollo program. Okay, and she was obviously a very important person in relation to computer science. So over the next coming couple of lessons, we will be looking at important people who have influenced computer science. So we'll be looking at significant people in the field of computer science. So as you can see, I've opened the document that I've pushed to you on Google Docs and Google Classroom, and you can see that my first bit of research is completed, and that was about Margaret Hamilton. And I've written in here a little short couple of paragraphs about what she's famous for, a date of birth, and also her picture. And what I want you to do is use that document and the internet, or books if you've got any, and research these important people on the left-hand column in computer science and explain what they are famous for. And don't forget to include their date of birth and also an image that represents them. So that's what we're going to be doing over the next couple of lessons. This is an ongoing project, so I don't expect you to complete it in today's lesson. There'll be a couple of lessons to do your research. So that is the end of my little introduction. I'm going to let you get on there now and complete your research. And I look forward to seeing the results of your finished document. Take care, and I'll see you soon.